Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Cursive.io, which is an all-in-one dropshipping platform that actually helps you find, import, and sell your products with ease. So before we start, you can check out the link in the description to explore Cursive.io for yourself. So first, we need to understand what is Cursive.io. So as I said earlier, Cursive.io is a dropshipping automation platform that actually connects you with the suppliers, helps you to import the products and manage the orders seamlessly. It integrates with the popular e-commerce platforms, making it easier to start and scale your online store. Now here, if we talk about the pros of this particular platform, so in my opinion, it is very easy for you to import the products here. You are going to get multiple supplier options here, and you can also automate your order fulfillment, and the interface is also very easy to use and very beginner friendly. Here are some of the cons that I would like to mention. Like this particular application or this particular website is subscription based. You need to require to pay the plan for the full features, and some suppliers may have the slower shipping times as well. So in my final verdict, I would like to say that Cursive.io is a great option for those who are looking to streamline their dropshipping business with automation and the supplier flexibility. So if you are curious or very serious about dropshipping, it is worth considering. So if you want to check it out, you can visit the link in the description. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.